Welcome to the Treeline Academy. I would like to introduce you to my latest project, the E-Scouting MasterClass. Like most of you, the time I get to spend elk hunting is my most cherished and anticipated time of the year. As elk hunters, we are on a continual search for knowledge that will help elevate our elk hunting skill set and, even more importantly, tactics that will help us find more elk. One of the driving forces behind the development of this course was the fact that I spent the first 2 decades of my elk hunting career traveling from Missouri out to the western states. Planning elk hunts, especially from the Midwest, was incredibly challenging, and it still is. Of course, today we have better technologies and access to more information, but a comprehensive e-scouting system has not existed until now. The reality is that elk only inhabit a relatively small portion of the western landscape, and I believe e-scouting is a critical component when it comes to breaking down and evaluating hunt areas and finding locations that actually hold elk. This masterclass is the most complete and comprehensive e-scouting solution that has been created to date. I designed this curriculum for both beginner and experienced public land DIY elk hunters. This course is a first of its kind and is powered by more than 30 years of elk hunting experience. Over the past 3 decades, I have honed and refined my elk hunting system. It's time to finally share that system. I realize this is a bold claim, but the strategies that I present in this course will give you a real advantage when it comes to planning your hunts, developing a strategic hunt plan, and it will ultimately improve your odds of finding more elk. I have been invited to talk e-scouting tactics on several of hunting's best podcasts, including The Rich Outdoors and Eastman's Elevated. For the past 2 years, I've been invited to present a summary version of this course at the Western Hunting Summit, hosted by the giant killer himself, Ryan Lampers. His hunting summits are spectacular, and I'm honored to be presenting e-scouting tactics at both elk hunting summits this year. For the past several years, I've been blessed to live in the Big Sky state of Montana with my incredibly hunt-tolerant and understanding wife, my 2 kids, and my horde of pack llamas. I know how incredibly blessed I am to be able to spend so much time each year pursuing elk in multiple western states. In fact, in most years, my llamas and I will chase elk in 3 or more states and spend more than 60 days in the backcountry. I could not begin to hunt the states and the remote places I do without a significant e-scouting background and skill set. I use the same tools and techniques in this course to plan my hunts and develop my annual strategic hunt plan. Hunting elk the way I have over the past 30 years has given me a very unique perspective. Like I said earlier, I approach e-scouting as a complete system, and I've spent 3 decades designing and refining this system. In this course, I will leave no stone unturned. I will show you every e-scouting technique that I use to find my elk hunting spots. The course is online and available now. I want to invite you to sign up and get started on your path to finding more elk. I hope you will consider subscribing to my Treeline Pursuits YouTube channel and that you will follow us on our journeys on Instagram. I will be uploading more e-scouting content and modules, hosting live webinars, and adding more case study examples as the course progresses and develops. The course features a very unique pricing model, and as popularity and membership builds, so will the price. This is your chance to get on board early and reserve your pricing. Your membership gives you 2 full years or 2 elk hunting seasons of access. There is no risk involved. The course features a 30-day money-back guarantee. I've always been focused on helping the DIY public land elk hunter. I hope you will enjoy the course as much as I enjoyed creating it.